Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. My name is Kay, and here on my channel I share everything nails with you. How are you guys doing? This video is a little late, but I've been really busy, guys, and this week is a short week, so I've been working non-stop trying to get everyone out in a timely manner. But I will be back next week live, so be on the lookout to see when I'm live doing my client services. So yeah, I want to say a big shout out to Nana Ange for joining my membership. I appreciate you so much. Um, I can't tell you how much you guys have been a motivation for me throughout this process of me sharing my work with you guys. I I am glad to be a part of this community and sharing my work with you all. So thank you so much, Nana Ange. And yeah, the best is yet to come. I wanted to announce it a little bit later once I get like all the details together, but she surprised me and I didn't have a clue until I really looked in on my channel and seen it. I was like, oh my goodness, I have to give her a shout out. So if you guys are interested in joining my membership, I will link it in the description bar, and details are to come on what to expect from me during my membership lives, chit chats, and so on. In today's video, we will be doing a acrylic fill on my client's natural nails as well as a repair. These are some floral ombre design. She's gone on vacation. She had these nails in her phone for a while. She was like, I want you to do these on me. So I was like, okay, cool. So we went for it and I decided to record it. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I will let you guys go ahead and watch the debulking process as well as the prep. And I'll be back once we get to the acrylic application. My prep is pretty much the same for all my clients. I do tweak it here and there, but I also list everything in the description bar as well as pop-ups on the screen. So if you are interested in any of the bits or products that I'm using, they're also listed in the description bar as well as my Amazon storefront. So yeah, I will be back once we get done with prep and so on. All right, so I wanted you all to enjoy the application process as well as the filing process, and know we're going straight into the design. We'll be using Need That from DC to 2467. We're doing two coats of this. We're creating for 60 seconds. Then she'll cure her thumb for 15 seconds. And then I'll be going in with my link-free wipe. I don't think I recorded this um, though, because I forgot to start the camera. And then we'll be going in with the design. I am using Young Nail, Mission Control, gel paint, and I did tweak the colors just a little bit to get the exact color that we were looking for. So yeah, I am using my liner brush as well as my dotting tool to create this design and to make the nails look a little bit more fuller. So yeah, I won't be on here much longer. I want you guys to just enjoy this video. This weekend is 4th of July, so I want to tell you guys, have a happy and safe 4th of July. Enjoy your family, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing. Leave me a like. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comment section. All the products used are listed on my Amazon storefront. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.